The LOGO locking screw is the ideal addition to the connecting pieces of the LOGO system formwork. It is used to connect the compensation panel and multi-panel when forming a 90-degree corner, to connect the multi-panel and multi-panel when forming a column, to connect the spacer channel or the multi-wailer at end stops, to connect two elements as a replacement for the wedge clamp, or to connect two elements including filler piece up to 12 centimeters as a replacement for the multi-clamp. Since the locking screw connects two elements without sticking out, it is the ideal connecting piece, especially in limited spaces when used in combination with the wall formwork LOGO.pro with one-sided anchor technology. This also allows the storage of pre-assembled element units. That makes the LOGO locking screw a universal connecting piece for panels and accessories of the LOGO system formwork.